The Citizens Police Academy is one of the more important endeavors that we as officers can provide for our citizens. It gives us as officers the opportunity to be ambassadors for our agency, and by the same token, it gives us a chance as officers to interact with our community in a different manner.
It provides the citizens an opportunity to experience split-second decisions that officers have to face on a day-to-day basis.
They have different interesting classes that I think are good for people, like CPR classes that are very important. They have ethics class. They have a canine class where they brought the dogs in, and there's a self-defense class that was really good because they teach you actually what to do, when somebody approaches you.
Most of the individuals that participate in the Citizens Police Academy don't have any law enforcement experience. So for them, it's an eye-opening experience.
I recommend these kind of citizen academies to everybody. It is good to know where the challenges lay. You want to live in a safe place, but you're part of creating this safe place.
Not a lot of people are afforded this opportunity, so I'm grateful that they do offer these classes for us free of cost.
It was a great experience. I had fun. It was educational, and it really makes you look at cops in a different light.